YouTube was good, Joe. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Techrealism, where we talk real tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 hacks that you can use to fix your iPhone battery drainage problem. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Boom. Obviously, we got the iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to settings, right? Once you're in settings, you want to scroll down until you hit accessibility. From accessibility, you want to click on display and text size, and from there you want to go all the way where it says reduce white point. Right here you want to toggle it on, and from when you do that, that allows you to make your screen as dark as possible. By doing so, that actually helps with your battery, since it's not taking too much resources from your screen. This is a secret tip that helps you to maximize your battery levels, and is a great way to save your battery. Another tip that you can utilize is by going on to settings again. Once you're in settings, you want to go to general, and then from general you want to go to background app refresh. Click on that, and then this, if it's on Wi-Fi and cellular data, you want to turn it off. This again, I explained in my other video, but basically this is going to help with your battery so that your battery does not die out and drain, because it's using apps in the background to fetch data and your Wi-Fi, which in turn makes your iPhone battery go down. So this is another thing that you want to pay attention to and turn it off. And not only that, it's going to help you with speeding up your internet speed as well, because you're not always using that Wi-Fi or cellular, and it's not fetching in the background. That's something that you don't want your phone to be doing, so you can click on off. The thing that you want to do is you want to head over again to your settings. Then you're going to go on to privacy and security. Click on that. Scroll all the way down until you hit analytics and improvements. And all of this, you want to turn it off. By default, it's like this, right? Like all the way. Like all these. This is Apple basically collecting your data. If you click on here, you can see all the data that Apple been taking from me. Okay? This is basically your iPhone is selling this data to Apple, essentially. And you don't really want that. You want your privacy, obviously. So you're just going to turn this off, okay? And also, when you do that, not only you're going to be contributing to your battery life, make it last longer and not make it drain so fast, but also what it's doing is it actually improves your internet speed as well. I got a video link in the description that talks more in depth about how to speed up your internet speed as well. But this contributes to it because it's not using data. When these are off, it's not using your data in the background, and it's not using your Wi-Fi to basically sell your data to Apple. You get it? So this is another way of saving your battery and not let it drain. So the fourth thing that you want to do is you want to go again to your settings, right? And then you're going to go again back to that same place, privacy and securities. And this time you're going to go to location services. And you see all of these apps, the key word that you want to look for is always, okay? I think I got some always here. I got this one right here, right? Okay? You don't want your phone to always know your location 24/7, especially when you're not using the app. Reason being is because when it's always looking for your location, that means it's going to be draining the battery in the background, and you don't want that to happen because it's always searching for your location. And if it's not the maps, you know what I'm saying? If it's not the maps, if it's an app that is not the maps, it doesn't need to be always on, 24/7. You get what I'm saying? Like, for example, I don't know why this thing is on 24/7, but it shouldn't be. Your best bet is to always put on while using the app. You don't want your phone to always be searching for your location and having the more precise it is, the more battery it uses. So you don't want your phone to always be looking for the specific and the most precise location, because when it does that in the background, well, guess what? Your battery's going down with it. You get what I'm saying? Obviously, number 5, this is a pretty obvious one, I think, is you want to go onto your display setting. Whoops. Display settings and by default, when you get an Apple, right, is white, right, which actually uses more resources, and it gathers more resources from the display, which actually makes your battery drain faster, believe it or not. But if you put on dark mode, the pixels that it's focusing on, it's not focusing on the whole display, but more so the white. You get what I'm saying? So putting your phone on the dark mode actually reduces the amount of battery usage your phone uses, and that helps to quote unquote fix your iPhone battery issue if it's draining too fast. Keep it in dark mode, it'll do you some good. Alright, YouTube, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. This is YouTube. We got 200 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? We growing. You know what I'm saying? Love all y'all, alright? Till next time, YouTube, we out. Peace.